Welcome to our coverage of the devastating flash flood that struck Zhashui County, Shanglo City in Shaanxi Province on July 19, 2024. This natural disaster, which occurred around 8:40 p.m., led to the partial collapse of the Yanping Village Bridge on the Daning Expressway, causing several vehicles to plunge into the river below. Join us as we delve into the details of the incident, the ongoing rescue operations, and the broader impact of this catastrophic event. The Yanping Village Bridge collapse has been a tragic focal point of this disaster. Immediately after the incident, rescue teams discovered 5 vehicles submerged in the river. The urgency of the situation prompted the National Comprehensive Fire Rescue Team to deploy an extensive force of 736 personnel, 76 vehicles, 18 boats, and 32 drones to aid in the rescue operations. These teams have been working tirelessly to ensure the safety of the affected individuals and to locate any survivors. As of now, the rescue operations are still ongoing, with authorities emphasizing the critical importance of these efforts in the wake of such a devastating event. The Shaanxi Provincial Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters reported that heavy rainfall from July 15 to 19 has significantly impacted the region, affecting 169,200 people across 7 cities. This continuous downpour has caused tributaries of the Weihe and Hanjiang rivers to exceed warning levels, heightening the risk of further geological disasters, such as landslides, collapses, and mudslides. These geological threats add another layer of complexity to the already challenging rescue operations. The teams on the ground are not only focused on immediate rescue and relief, but also on mitigating further risks posed by the unstable terrain and ongoing heavy rainfall. China has been grappling with severe flooding since the onset of its flood season in June, with Central and South China particularly hard hit. The situation in Zhashui County is a stark reminder of the widespread impact of this year's flood season. In response to the excessive water levels, 9 floodgates at the 3 Gorges Dam were opened as of July 19th. This measure aims to manage the immense volume of water and prevent further downstream flooding. The authorities are continuously monitoring weather patterns and water levels to adapt their response strategies effectively. Several provinces, including Anhui, Jiangxi, and Hunan, have activated Level 3 emergency flood defense responses, while Heilongjiang, Jiangsu, Hubei, Chongqing, Sichuan provinces, and Zhangye City in Gansu Province have implemented Level 4 emergency responses. These emergency responses involve meticulous coordination between government agencies, rescue teams, and local authorities. The focus of these efforts is twofold: immediate rescue and relief, as well as mitigating further risks. The situation remains fluid, with continuous monitoring of weather patterns and water levels to ensure that response strategies are adapted to meet the evolving challenges.